Well, hello there, YouTubers. See that right there? You can put your soap in that thing. I use it all the time. I used to put my soap on top of the sink, but I find that this works great. Any soap residue, just pour right into your sink. If that'll give anybody an idea, I just bought that off of Amazon. It doesn't cost very much. So, let me see here. The real purpose for my video is see this thing here? I bought this little container. You can put your salad in it. This is a 23.7 cup that you can get off of Amazon. I had to order another one because well, I first ordered 2 of them, but since I am just using one right now, because if I use, well, I noticed that when I did buy 2 and I was buying 2 bins of salad for each one, I wasn't eating it up fast enough and the other one would go sour, you know. But anyways, I'm just doing it just 1 bin right now. But anyways, the premise of my video is, if I can get this up, see, it's a bin right here. And it just fits in this other bin right here. So anyways, what I want to say is, do not put this in the dishwasher, okay? Because I did that, and the top of the cover does not want to fit nicely on top of the other bin here. See, it's like off center. So whatever you do not put it in the dishwasher, okay? I'm just fussy like that. I want it to fit perfectly, you know. I mean, it still works, but it just, I don't know, it doesn't fit in there too nicely. So that's my main purpose for the video that I want to say. So that's all. Yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. Gee, I'm not going to have much watch time here, am I? I don't know. But I guess that's all I got to say. I don't know. Looks like the weather's getting nice and warm nowadays, huh? Today it was like almost 70 degrees. Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So I guess that's all I got to say for now. This stuff right here. You ever buy these for your dishwasher? They're so convenient, aren't they? These little things here. Dishwasher pods. That work great. Expensive as all hell though, buying it that way. So I bought some of this stuff. Walmart is only 10 bucks. And it's like 120 ounces of dishwashing soap for your dishwasher. 10 bucks. Whereas the dishwashing pods was like $27. That's crazy. So far so good. It's been working great. It is Cascade complete. Walmart, 10 bucks. So I guess that's all I gotta say. I don't know. You like and subscribe, folks. Have a great day.